Are you facing the frustrating error that says, LoggerFactory is not a Logback LoggerContext, but Logback is on the class path? You're not alone. Many developers encounter this issue, and today we're going to help you resolve it. I completely understand how annoying it is when you try to run your project only to be met with errors that halt your progress. It's like hitting a brick wall when all you want to do is code. But don't worry, we're going to tackle this together. Here's the situation. A user recently asked how to fix the error while trying to run their project. They found a solution that removed the error, but ended up losing all their logging. Sound familiar? Let's dive into how we can keep your logging intact while resolving this dependency issue. So, what causes this error? It often arises from conflicting logging frameworks in your project. In this case, Logback and Log4j are both present, leading to confusion in the LoggerFactory. Understanding this will help us find a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you manage your logging dependencies more effectively. To resolve the logging conflict, the user should first identify the conflicting logging implementations in their project. This can be done by reviewing the dependencies in the project's configuration file. Next, the user should ensure that only one logging framework is included in the project. If Logback is preferred, they can exclude Log4j from the dependencies. After making these changes, the user should update their project dependencies. This can typically be done by running a command in the terminal to refresh the project. Finally, the user should test their application to ensure that logging is functioning correctly without any conflicts. They can check the logs to verify that Logback is being used. Fun fact, did you know that logging frameworks have been around since the early days of programming? They help us track down issues, but sometimes they can get a bit too chatty. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that Spring Boot automatically configures Logback through the web starter. To resolve the conflict, you should exclude the Spring Boot starter logging dependency. This can be done by modifying your Maven configuration to exclude it and include Spring Boot starter -log4j2 instead. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution comes from a user who faced a similar issue while deploying Spring Boot in Wildfly. They resolved the conflict by adjusting the order of their dependencies. Here's the pro tip I promised. Regularly review your dependencies and keep them updated. This will help prevent conflicts and keep your logging smooth. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the conflicting modules issue while keeping your logging intact. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and remember to check out our next video for more troubleshooting advice.